Overcoming obstacles. Success is to be measured not so much by the position that one has reached in life as by the obstacles which he has overcome. Booker T. Washington. Every successful person that you can find has overcome enormous odds and obstacles. In fact, there would be absolutely no inspiration in the stories of successful people without it. You are no doubt facing a mountain of obstacles in your life right now. New challenges show their faces almost daily. The obstacles tend to grow in proportion to the size of your goals. If you have a massive life goal you're working toward, then you are likely facing massive obstacles. The people around you very likely don't have as big as goals as you, so you may feel alone throughout this process. Take some time today to research and learn about people who are like you. Successful people who have overcome major obstacles on their road to victory. Remind yourself that if they can do it, you can do it. This is the winning attitude that will take you to the heights you are dreaming of today. Please subscribe to our channel, like, and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.